Artificial intelligence is a financial black hole that can't go on with current levels of spending money. But some content creators are spreading fear where there shouldn't be, so I will debunk some of their videos. These kinds of charts are very often shown. They depict how AI companies invest into themselves and buy from themselves. This artificially inflates earnings and revenue of AI companies, which makes stock prices go even higher, inflating AI bubble. For people who are saying those things, I have a question though. Do you know how economy works? Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Microsoft, all of them have market cap bigger than $1 trillion thanks to massive growth in the past 2 decades. Now, those companies have hundreds of billions dollars of operating cash flow, so they decided to buy services, products and shares of other companies. Wow, so controversial. I guess this is what some people call the economy. I mean, I should say something like AI bubble is going to burst, government needs 50%. But what about OpenAI? It's going to bankrupt. Yes, I think that OpenAI is the weakest link of infinite money glitch. Unlike Meta and Alphabet, OpenAI does not have business that can support this kind of spending. During recession or AI winter, OpenAI will most likely collapse. As well with all those data centers companies.
Why does the country need a data center this big? 10,000 acres? That would consume more electricity than the entire state uses in a year. Explain this to my viewers.
Me personally, I wouldn't buy OpenAI shares, but I think soon someone will do it for me. But despite this, I wouldn't call AI bubble. Internet stocks were bubble and quantum computing stocks are bubble. AI looks more like a hole where companies dump their money. As long as they want to do that, they can and they will. But this can change in time. In 2019-22, Meta almost doubled its number of employees. But then in 2023, Meta fired almost 25% of its staff. Maybe in America it's normal, but I live in Europe. This is why I think that hiring and firing 1/4 of all staff is pretty degenerate. The same thing can happen with AI. Right now it's the future, bro. But someday data centers can be quietly closed. Despite this, I wouldn't call S&P 500 as AI bubble. For me, current US stock market looks like a mixture of Nifty 50 bubble and peak semiconductor cycle. And of course Tesla bubble and soon SpaceX bubble. I hope you enjoy some new bucks.